Okay, so we have Jean from Rwanda out here. So Jean was Eduhubspot's mentee a few days back. So he had come to us. He wanted to go out and fulfill his dream to get done with PMP in his first attempt, and he has done that with above target scores in all domains. Welcome, Jean. Congratulations yet again from the entire team of Eduhubspot. We wish you all the very best in your journey. And Gene has joined us out here to go ahead and help take us through his journey through Eduhubspot and also whatever his pain points were when he went through the PMP, study process whatsoever. So yeah, all over to you, Gene. So
Uh,
tell us, yeah.
thank you, Sonia. This is a greatest an opportunity I've got just sharing the best practices, sharing just my how I'm celebrating now, because I've been now my dreams has become a reality. So with the
Mm-hmm.
Eduhubspot, really, I appreciate and congratulate the good work you are doing just to make some people the worldwide just to achieve or to see their dreams being a reality. So this is
Absolutely.
how just I joined. One day I was finding where I can have trained the PMP, and then I joined the
Mm-hmm.
one of the institution I cannot mention. So then when I started to be trained through there, so
Mm-hmm.
something I was really not I was feeling some how maybe I was not satisfied with what I'm getting from there. So just by lucky, I went through on the
Mm-hmm.
internet. I don't know how I was, but by lucky, just I made the Eduhubspot website, and then I
Mm-hmm.
started to register from there. And then when I entered at the first time, just I got those customer care people just view this live chat
Mm-hmm.
directly. They asked me for help, and then they connect me directly with you. And then
Mm-hmm.
they connected me with you, it was in I remember it was in November last year, 2020.
Yep, it
And
was long,
then
long back. Yep.
I know, but because I was not ready with money that time, but you have
Mm-hmm.
been you kept just being in touch with me, asking me when you will be ready to join to start
Mm-hmm.
boot camp, and then I replied in March 2021
Yep.
that I'm feeling that on in May I can try, and
Mm-hmm.
then you didn't leave. You didn't you didn't take me away, but just you continue to follow me during the process, so that
Mm-hmm.
you can make sure that I'm just having enrolled within the PMP bootcamp. And then
Right.
I
Mm-hmm.
remember by May 2021, just have been paid for the boot camp and the other
Mm-hmm.
resources that the Eduhubspot is providing for supporting all trainees.
Mm-hmm.
So then I've been mentored by Mentor Samuel that we're doing the boot camp. Just to had a good time with the other colleagues. We were together. Was very nice and helpful mentor. So our mentorship has been going very excited. Just how much has been giving a feedback, approaching, meeting one on one during those entire processes. Really, you have been supported by Samuel. Really, we appreciate that is the hard work, that is the love for trainees, the giving time, giving the everything just which is new, just you deliver it. So and after the boot camp, I remember I started to prepare for the exam, for scheduling the exam. I
Mm-hmm.
remember you didn't left me alone, but I
Mm-hmm.
remember we created a chat on WhatsApp, and every
Yep.
time when
Mm-hmm.
I was preparing for for the exam, I remember sometimes I send you the issue, and directly I
Yeah.
got your
Right.
directly. So sometimes I was feeling maybe I'm disturbing my mentor, but since I was sure is flexible, allow for the trainees. Just I didn't be ashamed just to always ask for help from you, and then I
Yep.
got it. Yeah, and then I remember. I remember every time, every night, during the night, during the day, just I started asking questions, but you didn't being tired with me.
Absolutely, yeah. So I found your questions very, very interesting as well. So I was more than happy to go ahead and help you forward, and that's how Eduhubspot is. Like, be whatever questions you have in mind. Feel free to reach us out. Yep.
Good, good. Really, I really thank you very much. And really, in general, I can say something about the methodologies and the sources and
Mm-hmm.
the coaching approach that EduHubspot is using. That helped me to achieve this wonderful result. So really, uh, among them, I can say like the content, which
Mm-hmm.
was clear, understandable during
Mm-hmm.
the PMP bootcamp. So really, I
Yep.
have a good time there. I come up with some package that
Mm-hmm.
really shed light to what I was not able to understand. So it
Yep.
has opened just the door to start really approaching the even the big content without any fear. Just has been reduced at that time because I've
Yep.
seen how content has been explained,
Mm-hmm.
how the motivation you gave us during the boot camp. So how much you have been encouraged us. So really all of them the motivation was around. You provided all your best you have during the boot camp. So it has been
Absolutely. So,
for sure.
that's just a kind of a starting platform, the bootcamp of ours, to help, grind you with the need of the hour. And then, it's up to you also to go out and follow the guidance and make sure that you're not, getting deviated. You did that. You did that
Yes,
and you reached me out. And I was more than happy to go out and help. And, that's where things go out and click, isn't it? Where
it
I
is.
go out and give my guidance, you go out and take with both hands, and then we make use of the strategies and also
Mhm.
the time management and other facets in place, and then take it forward
Yes.
to completion. And see,
Ye-
that's how we make dreams possible. Yeah.
Yeah. So the second one is how the your mentorship. Really, your
Hmm.
mentorship has been very, very, very important for me. He was
Hmm.
very supportive during this journey. So really, I can say, if I say I
My
could
pleasure.
dedicate,
Hmm.
yeah, I could dedicate this certificate to you. Really, I
Absolutely,
cannot
my
lie.
pleasure. That's a big compliment. Hmm.
For sure, this is I'm saying this just from the deep of my heart.
Yep.
That is really, I was very, very, very excited with your personality, your love, your that's how much you are giving what you have in you. So
Absolutely. So, see, that's the place where, it comes all together. Because until and unless you have the passion to go out and share this kind of knowledge, it won't be obviously received by, not only you, but by anyone else. And we
yeah,
don't, as such, believe in, diluting the kind of knowledge that we go out and share with any of our mentees.
yeah,
60%, 70%, of whatever we try to go out and say, if you go out and receive, doesn't make sense. We ensure
yeah,
that you receive 100% with all the kind of learnings and all the kind of additional applications that you can go ahead and make. So it is a
yeah.
holistic kind of process, and it starts from the word go. Yeah, the word go from the moment where I get started with the sessions.
Mm,
Those are long sessions. If you remember, those were 7 hour sessions at our end. But then we always maintain or ensure that you have this concentration going on from first, that is from this initial phases till the end of our session, and that's where it all gelled seamlessly through. Yeah, Jean, you got disconnected in between. Are you back now?
yes, yes.
Okay, no problem. So the recording is still going on, so you can please proceed on
Okay,
with
good,
your.
good, 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 good. Yes, yeah, for sure. I cannot. Really, I've been very, very, very happy to achieve this, And then
Yes.
the third thing I can say is about the quality of the videos.
Yep.
Videos just prepared and explained by Varun.
Mm-hmm.
So really, it has played a key role during this
Mm.
journey. So I've been
Yep.
watched them many times taking my note. I
Mm-hmm.
know when we were in the boot camp, you advised us just to have a note, taking our note, and the Varun also. I
Yes.
remember when he's starting to
Yep.
introduce videos, it was always
Yep.
just to take the note. And then I did. I
Yes.
used that strategy. I used that approach. And then I
Mm-hmm.
make I make just from
Yeah, yeah, I see that. Yep, and very very highly I would go ahead and recommend your kind of diligence and also your perseverance for all the mentees. So whomsoever is going out and taking up PMP seriously and coming up to Eduhubspot, so you need to follow howsoever Gene has demonstrated his kind of seriousness and also his diligence and also the way in which he meticulously followed the guidance what we had to go ahead and give. So hats off to you, Gene. And the journey doesn't end here. You know it very well. There are other certifications. The knowledge doesn't go ahead and inhibit us. So obviously there
yeah,
are many more things to go ahead and learn, many new certifications to go ahead and fulfill, many new frontiers to go ahead and ace. And we'll
for
do that.
sure,
We'll do that. Yeah.
for sure.
Okay.
We
So
made that spot.
yeah, absolutely. So, any final words of thought from your end, Gene, for all our mentees, whomsoever would be watching this video?
Sorry.
Any final words of thought or any final suggestions that you have to all the mentees who would be watching this video of yours?
For sure. I would suggest that those trainees and whosoever who can use these videos.
Yep.
So I can say that I found them complete, more
Mm-hmm.
easily to understand,
Mm-hmm.
have all the package that we need,
Mm-hmm.
and there is the key, the more keywords
Mm-hmm.
that someone who is serious just could catch up, that
Yep.
would just help to address any questions. And then there
Absolutely.
is
Yep.
also those questions after each module, after each knowledge area.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Those tests also helps just to catch up on the content of the video. So
Yep.
really it is a really a full and complete package. I would suggest everyone who is in the journey of PMP, whether student
Yep.
or other or other
Mm-hmm.
mentors, just I
Mm-hmm.
think it can be a good source which can
Yep.
empower whether student or other people who can mentor others. So I think could use it
Absolutely.
just for helping others all over the world. So really,
Absolutely. Yep. Fully agree
yeah,
with you, Gene.
well, for sure, it is really prepared with the seriousness, with all things people could need just to get the concept to be done or to be acquired. Really, I found them there.
Awesome.
The video quality are very, very clear. The
Mm-hmm.
sounds are very clear. The content is
Mm-hmm.
complete. Just more
Mm-hmm.
details,
Yep.
understandable, everything. Just really, I really,
Absolutely. So,
yeah,
since you have made this point as such, we don't, go ahead and compromise with the quality of any of our, offerings. As I already mentioned earlier, we always strive for excellence and we keep things updated. And also, if
for
there are
sure.
any new strategies or any specific strategies, for you yourself, so we go ahead and make sure that we have that personalized mentorship going in, where we go ahead and tell you about those strategies and you take forward those learnings and take it forward to your success. Yeah, so
Okay.
it was awesome to have you, Gene, in this recording of ours, and I'm very sure that whomsoever would be
Yeah,
seeing this video from anywhere across the globe, would be immensely getting benefited. Once again,
for
from
sure.
Eduhubspot, congratulations to you, and we are super happy to go ahead and have your dream getting fulfilled.
Really, really, I
Yeah,
appreciate don't turn
absolutely.
free quick recurrent question, those techniques, elimination techniques, all of these techniques has been
Yes,
helping just to address the question of the exam very quickly and get the answer. And
right.
then I made it with all
Absolutely.
above the target. Thank
Yeah,
you.
absolutely. So I'm super glad to have you in our featuring in our success stories. So I've already gone ahead and uploaded. You might have seen in LinkedIn where I've gone ahead and tagged you. and shared the kind words that you have shared over email. And that's how we go
Sure,
ahead and create more success stories and look forward to having you in future for further certifications. Okay, so having
for
said
sure.
that, yeah, having said that, have a nice time. I'm ending the recording out here.
Yeah, sure, sure.